Okay, boys and girls, today's artwork is going to be a drawing of a dove. Okay, we're going to use our pencil to draw. If you haven't already gotten a pencil, make sure you have one. Okay, we're going to be drawing, I'm going to be drawing in crayon. You guys are going to be drawing in pencil. After your pencil, you're going to follow in crayon. If you're just drawing with me, you're going to stay drawing in pencil and you're going to fill it in with color. So I'm going to start with blue. Okay, if you're drawing in pencil, start drawing in pencil. So we are going to be drawing a dove for International Peace Day. I'm sorry, International Day of Peace. Okay, that's September 21st. So we're going to do a little activity for it. So we're going to start with a dove wing, okay, boys and girls? So you're going to get your blue and you're going to do a curve line down. So watch my curve before you draw it. Okay, very simple curve. Okay, and then we're going to give ourselves a few more curves inward to look like a wing. So again, watch me draw it before you draw it. Okay, curve. Curve. I'm building off of each curve to make the wing. And I'm going a little halfway down my page. More than halfway. Okay. Now we're going to give ourselves a head. Okay. So this is going to be another curve. Please watch my curve before you draw it. And it goes out. This is going to be for the beak. We're doing a very simple line drawing for our dove for International Day of Peace. Okay, we're gonna touch that end again and we're gonna give ourselves another curve. All the way down and out. Again, you're watching before you draw, guys. It's very important for you to follow directions. And then we're gonna meet these two, but we're gonna give ourselves a few more curves. So you're gonna curve out. And then right here is where you give yourself a wavy line. Okay, to meet it. Very simple dove. I'm going to draw a second wing now. Pay attention. If you're talking, you need to stop talking. Okay, curve down. And in right there. Okay, that's our second wing. We're going to give ourselves two more curves. Two more curves. Okay, for our other second wing. Okay. Now, if you're drawing with me with pencil, keep drawing with pencil. Those of you that are using your crayon already, we're going to use our white now. Okay, with our white, we're going to go along here and we're going to draw a few curves to emphasize our wings. Okay, guys? So I'm just going to give myself a C right here. It's going to go down. Okay? And then I'm going to give these areas some white lines too. And I'm just going against the blue, very near it. Very near the blue. It's even grabbing some of the blue, which looks very nice with the crayon. We're going to do the same thing to the other wing. Same thing right here. Moving back and forth to make these lines. Back and forth to make these lines. And one more right here by the body. I'm starting right here and I'm basically just filling in the belly right here with white. Okay, then I'm going to be using my yellow and I'm going to start at the bottom of the wings right here, and in between the curves that you made so that everybody looks different, you're going to do lines out all the way to the bottom of your page. Okay, and then we're gonna just follow it around. Okay. And I'm not thinking too much about the space. Just give yourself some space in between each line. Straight lines. Okay, if you're just drawing with me, this is the end of our drawing. Okay, now this is where we're gonna add the paint, boys and girls, if you're painting with me right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to start with yellow. So you're gonna wet your brush, you're gonna put some some water into your yellow. I'm gonna make a little small yellow puddle. And then we are going to go around our yellow lines and we're gonna start filling in the bottom and go with lines up like this. Okay, and I'm only gonna do lines on my right side so that it continues to look like shine, like light going in. Okay. So we're starting below our bird, below our pigeon here, our dove. Okay, if your paint is not spreading, it's because it's not wet. So make sure you're adding water to your paint. Okay, and again, I'm adding it to the side and going up, touching the dove. Went a little too hard on that one. Okay, same thing, following these rays of light. Continuing on. Okay, we're gonna go with blue in a moment on the other side. Let's finish the yellow. Okay, we're gonna go with blue now. So you're gonna clean your brush and make sure all the yellow is off your brush, guys. It's very important that we do not mix these two colors and have green. Okay. So on the other side, not getting too close to the yellow, I am just gonna add streaks of blue to emphasize that line. This is gonna continue to create that idea of light Okay, it's peeking through the blue. Okay, remember, if your paint is not spreading, it's because it's not wet enough. This is watercolor. Oh. We're using a small enough brush for you guys to just be able to add very wispy lines. You're in full control of your brush. Make sure you're holding it nearest to the metal. We're creating the illusion of light with color. Okay. In between the purple, we are adding blue to make the light look brighter, to make the yellow look brighter. Okay. When we're done adding to the outside, we're going to go ahead and add a few lines on the inside of the dove. Okay, so you can get your brush. We're gonna make a light blue, so you're gonna add more water to your brush. If your blue is too dark, you're just gonna add some more water to it. Okay, and remember, we put a lot of crayon here, so we got to get in between. And we're just doing wispy lines. Wispy lines. Does everybody see that little curve? Wispy lines. Wispy lines. And then I'm done. No more color. It creates the illusion of light, guys, of the brightness.